Check it out, guys. This is BRI style chicken vindaloo. No fancy stuff, just exactly as it's cooked at the Indian restaurants. Check it out. Absolutely delicious. Right, guys, enjoy the recipe. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you on the next video. Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. On this week's video, we will be making chicken vindaloo. BRI style, no complication, straightforward how we do it exactly at the BRI restaurants. So this is a typical, or classic shall I say, BRI style chicken vindaloo recipe. So let's get the pan on the heat. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome, and please do like, subscribe to our channels, comment below, let us know what you think. We've got regular stuff here. We've got a base gravy, pre-cooked chicken. We've got this is my mixed curry powder recipe. If you haven't seen the video, guys, I will leave a link in the description below so you can make your own BRI style mixed curry powder. And we just got some chili powder as well. Having said that, guys, let's crack on with the videos. As well as, guys, to our regular viewers, thanks ever so much for watching our videos. Please, thank you for your support. Do continue to hit those like button, everyone. So what we're going to do, pre-cooked chicken, we've got a base gravy, we've got loads of oil on there. So what we're going to do, we are going to be using these oil. If you don't want to, you don't have to. But personally, this is packed full of flavour. So we're not wasting anything. A teaspoon of garlic paste, the garlic paste, put that in. Let's get some tomato puree. So this is nice. So just waiting for the rawness of the garlic and ginger to go away. One chef spoon. One. This is chili powder. 2 and a bit is good. And if you want to, you can use less chili powder if you want to, but this is generally how much we would use at the Indian restaurants to make a chicken vindaloo. So put the heat on high. Squeeze in a bit of lemon juice. If you've got fresh lemon juice, great to use that. If not, these bottled ones will be absolutely fine. The lemon helps the heatness come out even more. Got chicken in there. About 7, so about a standard restaurant portion. And if you have got these left, guys, don't use them. They are pure flavour. Chicken vindaloo. So what we need now is a few pieces of some pre-cooked potato. I'll just put a couple in. Pre-cooked Bombay Aloo, which is just potato that just goes in. We'll let that heat up properly. It's BRI style cooking, guys. The main stuff is done in the preparation, and these curries easily take less than 10 minutes to make because we've got everything ready. Look at the amazing colour of this vindaloo. Nice. You can see my sauce and the oil has risen to the top, which means the spice is cooked. So I'm going to add about 3 levels of base gravy. Just remember, don't add any salt, so just do a pinch of salt if you want. Even if you missed a tiny bit of salt out, it's no problem, purely because your chicken is cooked, it's got all the salt, it's got those spices. The base gravy has also got the salt, all the spices in there as well. Some coriander in there. Again, this is my mixed curry powder recipe, guys. If you haven't got, this is a BRI standard, what I used to use when I was working there. What we can do as well, the only thing about cooking BRI style curries at home is just that it leaves the kitchen like messy, so you just got to keep on tidying the kitchen. There you go, it's almost done now. What you can do with this excess oil, okay, you can throw that away, or you can just put it back in here. And this is our chicken vindaloo all ready. Give it one last blast. You can add 1 green chilli. Done. Heat off. Again, if you want more sauce, guys, obviously add more base gravy, let it all cook out, and once the oil and that separates, which will be at the top, you can your curry will be ready. Generally, the chicken vindaloo spice is quite thick, the sauces, so here we go, let's get this done. There we go, chicken vindaloo. No fancy stuff, it's purely how it's cooked at the BRI Indian restaurants. There we go. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please give it a like, do subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye for now.